In a world where sky rules fire and water hides death, two ancient forces are about to collide.
This is not a battle for survival, this is war.
For centuries, this land knew peace, until the sky caught fire.
But beneath the surface, something older awakens. The river has a king.
Fire consumes everything it touches. But fire has never faced the depths.
One rules the sky, the other waits. And just like that, the war begins.
Flame against tide, heat against instinct. But water does not burn. The dragon fights with rage. The River King fights with patience. And patience kills. When the sky strikes back, nothing survives. But even fire can be hunted.
In the darkness, the hunter becomes invisible, and the hunted grows weak.
This is no accident. This is design. Too late to escape. One mistake is all it takes.
The river does not fight fair. It pulls you in and never lets go.
But legends do not die quietly!
And then, silence.
If you survive the Inferno Tide, hit subscribe, like, share, and prepare for the next battle.